Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a super useful topic, a guide to automating appointment scheduling to prevent missed opportunities. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up your calendar. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Head over to Calendars on your dashboard. Click on Create Calendar. Here, you'll fill out the essential details. Give your calendar a name, add a description, and set your time zone. Once everything's set, hit Confirm. And just like that, your calendar is ready to go. With your calendar set up, let's move on to automating your appointment scheduling process to capture every opportunity. Step 2. Creating an automation workflow. Navigate to the Automation section and click on Create Workflow. You can choose a ready-made template or start from scratch for more customization. Add a trigger, for instance, New Appointment Scheduled. Now, set up actions such as sending confirmation emails, reminders, and follow-up messages to your clients. Now click on Publish button and tab on Save button. Simple, effective, and fully automated. By setting up your calendar and automations in GoHighLevel, you're not just scheduling appointments, you're optimizing your time and maximizing your opportunities. And there you have it. Grab your 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel now and schedule your kickoff call using the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.